So we have a 12 bacon taste off. We've actually made 16 bacons.
Yes.
4 of them are not here.
We already ate them.
we already ate
Somehow
them.
That happened. Yeah.
So here we have, this is a, and all of these recipes, videos, methods are on the channel. So you can find those videos of us actually making these and smoking these and building the smoker. So this is brined. This is a cure in a bag. Full on dry cure. Keeping it straight. Juniper, so cured with a juniper flavor and thyme. We have smoked and unsmoked. Pepper, smoked and unsmoked.
And then that repeats
And then that
itself.
repeats all the way along.
All right. Well,
It's a lot of bacon to taste. Okay, which one do you want to taste first?
do you want to? You're just gonna taste all of them and rank them?
I already know that these 4 aren't my favorite.
Because of the texture of the.
So brining,
Brining.
brings a texture that I don't really like. If I'm going to make bacon, I want to find a texture that I like. This is excellent bacon. All of these are great flavors. If you want to do this recipe, you're going to get really good bacon. Just not my favorite. It might be yours.
So we're gonna exclude those and do these.
And do these ones.
So just taste them all and then
And rank
we'll,
them out.
We'll rank
Yep.
them out. Okay. Well, I might as well start at this end.
So this one is dry cured juniper smoked.
Can't do it that way. What flavor am I supposed to have in the middle to wash my mouth out?
Yeah. Oh no! What do you do at a bacon tasting? I know at every other tasting there's something that you're supposed to put in your mouth. I don't know. I think you just roll with it.
Okay. I was gonna recommend beer, but you know.
Oh, beer would be good.
This is the smoked. I'm going to taste the 2 sets of junipers first.
Oh, are you? Mm-hmm. Okay. I was jumping ahead. So this one is juniper then.
Okay. Smoke? 5. Okay.
So for me, dry cure juniper smoked. Out of the ones with juniper, the dry cure smoked is my favorite.
No, I actually think I like the bagged.
You like the bag juniper smoked?
Yeah. I think that's of the junipers.
Of the
junipers. Okay.
Okay. So then, this is pepper smoked.
I'm not doing a very good job. There we go.
I'm not really getting the pepper flavor. The pepper didn't penetrate the way that the juniper and the thyme did.
No, but the question is whether or not you like the finished flavor, even if it's not peppery,
Yes.
right?
Okay.
This is the brine smoked or unsmoked?
Brine smoked. No, sorry, dry bag smoked.
Yeah. I think I like that one.
Yeah. So this
So
is
it's interesting because they're both my favorites for flavor,
the ones done in the bag.
the ones done in the bag.
Okay, so both of us liked the bag version of pepper no smoke. I've got it all written down here because otherwise I would just not remember.
Pepper not smoked.
Pepper not smoked from the bag out of these is our favorite.
Of the smoked ones. I think they're very distinctly different. Like I mean, of the pepper ones, oh my goodness.
So tasting them back to back to back to back, you can come up with a favorite. But if you placed any of these in front of me with an egg and a cup of tea and a piece of toast,
I'd be happy.
I'd be ecstatic.
I think the one thing to make note of is the one that we keep calling juniper, but has like juniper and thyme and bay leaves
And pepper, yeah.
It has a lot more flavor to it. So it won't go with everything. Like I don't think I would have it with my turkey or eat it with I don't know that I would eat it with a tomato sandwich.
No, and I wouldn't in recipes that call for bacon in the recipe.
Yeah.
It wouldn't work
Like
on its own. Yeah, but not in.
If I was making a sandwich, I wouldn't pick that flavor.
No, not at all. Not at all. So there's four more. There's four more from another video that you don't see here. My favorite still is dry cured, no smoke,
It's just salt.
just the salt, no flavoring.
Yeah, it's the basic, right? How about that?
It's full on basic, and I think that if you want that pepper flavor, as we've shown here, I put a lot of pepper in on these. The pepper didn't penetrate
So
very
if
well.
you really want pepper, you may have to pepper it as you're cooking it or pepper it afterwards. That's
Yeah.
the only way you're going to get that pepper
Yeah,
flavor.
I think
Yeah.
as you throw it in the pan, put some pepper on it, or halfway through the cooking, put some pepper on it, you'll get that pepper flavor.
But I do really like the texture of the dry cured. Like I like that
It's got some chew.
texture.
It's got some chew.
Yeah.
Which is something that so we sort of set the brine aside very quickly.
Unfairly. Not
Um,
really unfairly, but
Texture's not there.
it's not the same texture we like.
Yeah.
And of course, we have a bias. And
Definitely.
having spent a few years living together, it tends to start to meld. You'll find that.
Yep. But the texture just
Yep.
flavor-wise,
They're great.
it's great. Yeah.
And,
And-
it's again, you set me down, I'd be fine.
Yeah. If I sat down at a table,
Right.
blind tasting, didn't know what was happening, and you put this in front of me, I'd say, "Oh, that's great bacon." So, conclusion.
There isn't one.
There's
Because we like completely the only thing that we agreed upon was that we agreed upon in the no smoked brined pepper.
dry.
We didn't
dry
agree on the
bag cure.
bag cure. Sorry.
So I think the conclusion then is everyone's going to have a different conclusion. Everyone's going to like something different, and you have to.
What you use will depend. What you eat will depend upon what you are
What
cooking, what you're preparing it with.
and that you need to start down this road of making bacon and experiment, try different things.
It's not that hard. Just do it.
Yeah, as long as you've got that basic cure,
Yeah.
so it's cured. Layer on whatever flavor you want to do. Smoke it. Don't smoke it. It's all up to you.
You could probably make one with jerk.
Oh,
You
like
could
Jamaican
yeah,
jerk.
You could probably make one with like a more traditional Indian kind of like a coriander and a there's so many different
Don't-
flavors you can make it.
Don't stick to the North American maple brown sugar.
No, you don't have to. You could do almost anything.
Go wild.
So I think
So next up,
well, first we have to eat all of this.
we have to eat all of this, and it's also getting into summer, so sometime in the fall.
We'll try it with a few different flavors just to switch it up.
And I'm thinking lamb.
Oh
and-
yeah,
and
it doesn't
beef.
have to be.
Doesn't
pork,
have to be pork
right?
belly. You could do lamb. You could do beef. You could do other animals with the same
We've all had turkey bacon somewhere
Yeah.
along the line too.
turkey bacon. Okay, so check out all of the other videos. Check out all of the other methods. Do it at home. Give it a shot. Thanks for stopping by. Let's eat some bacon. Look.
I think I need a cup of beer a glass
Yeah.
of beer before I eat any more of it though.